Welcome back to Breslov campus. Rebbe Nachman gives an analogy of a bird. That once there was a very, very special and rare bird that landed on a very high pole, and the king saw this bird and he very much wanted it. So all of his wise men and advisors, they gathered around the pole to try to see how to get this bird. They brought ladders quickly, but the ladders couldn't reach the bird. And they were anxious to catch the bird for the king before the bird took off. And they're trying to figure out what to do. So there was a wise man who saw their dilemma, and he suggested to them, since there's no time, to go fetch a ladder, a proper ladder, and to get help, because you might worry that the bird will fly away. So in the meantime, make of yourselves a human ladder, each one standing on the other one, and that way you can easily and quickly reach the bird and possibly catch him. So the problem was now that each advisor wanted to be the one on top. They said, great idea, you go first. No, you go first. No, you go first. And they were all conflicting that they wanted to be the one on top. And while the conflict was going on, the bird took off. So Rebbe Nachman brings this analogy to explain that people, yes, want this bird. This bird represents something very special in the eyes of Hashem. And to get to it, cooperation and unity among the Jews is needed. That's what the key to get it. But the problem is that each person unfortunately wants to be the one on top. I want to have the credit. I want to have the honor. I want to be the one in the show light, in the limelight, with the stars, camera, action. I want to be the one on the top. And that causes that the bird takes off. In other words, that it's not reached. That because of a lack of unity, which means, let's just get the item. I'll be on bottom, no problem, I'll be on the bottom. If that's what's needed and is going to help to get to that item, I'm willing to do it. The problem is, again, the feeling of honor, that a person wants to be on top. I agree we should all be together, but I have to be the one on top. I have to be the one to give the final move, the final say, and that I should be B'ezrat Hashem, the one on top. Rebbe Nachman teaches that's what causes the bird to fly away. What's needed, again, is a goal for the truth, and to submit to it even if it's beneath one's dignity. If that's what is needed for the sake of the truth, then a person should go ahead for that.